Hi guys, welcome back to Eduet channel. Today we are discussing the mechanism of action of an antihelminthic drug. So introductory part, Pyrantel is an antiworm medication. It is usually used to treat roundworm, hookworm, pinworm, etc. Pinworm is the main drug case. This includes Ascariasis, hookworm infections, Enterobiasis, Trichostrongylosis, Trichinosis. Yeah, it's usually taken by mouth. It's also syrup are there and also tablet sized. Was initially described in 1965 and it is on the World Health Organization's essential list. Pyrantel was first introduced as a broad spectrum anthelmintic which was belonging to the tetrahydropyrimidine group and was used in case of cattle, horses, dogs, cats and pigs, etc. It is available as citrate, that is pyrantel citrate, tartarate, pyrantel tartarate, and palmoid salt. And the palmoid salt is more famous, like pyrantel palmoid. It is the more famous, and pyrantel embonate is also very much used in case of dogs and horses. So it belongs to the broad spectrum anthelmintics, and the class is tetrahydropyrimidines. So these are the brand names in which these are made in the market. That is Pinrid, that is ridding of pinworm. Pinex, that is the termination of pinworms. Reese, pinworm medicine, ant hell, helmintox, combatrin, pyrantrin, etc. So the examples are pyrantel, morantel, oxantel. So moving to the mechanism of action. So every anthelmintic drug has got a mechanism of action by which it disturbs the worm but not the host. So pyrantel palmoate act as the depolarizing neuromuscular blocking agent, that they will be blocking the neuromuscular junction of the verb by depolarization and causing sudden contraction. This has resulted the verb will lead to lose its grip on an intestinal wall. Actually, they will be having a tight relation with the intestinal wall, or they will be having the grip on the intestinal wall. This will be loosed actually due to the paralysis of the verb, and it also activates the nicotinic acetylcholine receptor. That is, they will be making more amount of activation messages on nicotinic acetylcholine receptor. So more amount of hyperpolarization and depolarization occurs, and also they can block the cholinesterase enzyme. That means more choline in the neurotransmitter region or the synapse. This can lead to spastic or paralyzing and complete intestinal obstruction. So the clinical use is actually pyrantel is considered safe in nursing animals. That is in case of pregnancy, it is very useful. Also considered as a pregnancy category C drug for using during pregnancy in humans. It is active against adult ascarids, large and strong momiles, and pinworms, mainly used in enterobiasis and oxyuris infection in horses. So also used in swine to treat ascaris and esophagostomum. And it is used commonly against the gastrointestinal nematodes except for the trichuris worms. Oxantel, this is a phenol analog of pyrantel. It's combined with pyrantel in some anthelmintic preparation for dogs. So they'll be getting more activity against the nematodes and more death rate of the nematodes. And if oxantel is that, the whipworm can also get it. These are the main pyrantel. This is a mixture of praziquantel, pyrantel palmoate, and fabantel tablets. This is the pyrantrin band. This is the pyrantel embonate solution. Praziquantel, pyrantel, and fabantel tablets. This is pyrantel palmoate for mainly oxyuris equi infection used in horses. So pyrantel is indicated in treatment of ascariasis. Now, pyrantel is used in treatment of trichostrongyliasis caused by Trichostrongylis species. It is indicated in many treatment of multiple helminth infection, and also used in the treatment of hookworm infection, that is ankylostomia duodenale infection. And broad spectrum and the pharmacokinetics is they are poorly absorbed orally through the oral absorption membrane and produce selective effect on intestinal worms. Major of the drug is excreted unchanged in the feces, and very minor case is excreted in the urine. Thank you.